The importance of self-care for mental well-being. In today's fast-paced world, people are busy with their daily routines and often forget to take care of themselves. They prioritize work and responsibilities over their own well-being, which leads to various mental health issues. Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss the importance of self-care for mental well-being and how to incorporate it into our daily lives. However, before we start our countdown, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. So let's get started. Mental health is equally important as physical health, and neglecting it can have severe consequences. Taking care of oneself should be a top priority to live a healthy and fulfilling life. What is self-care? Self-care is the practice of taking care of oneself physically, mentally, and emotionally. It includes activities that promote well-being and reduce stress. Self-care is essential for maintaining a healthy balance in life, improving mood, and preventing burnout. It is not a one-time activity, but a continuous process that requires commitment and effort. Self-care is a general term that describes everything you do deliberately for your mental, physical, and emotional well-being. As simple as it sounds, many of us pay little attention to self-care, but we should, as it can affect our mental health. Everyone has mental health, so self-care isn't only for those who struggle with mental illness. It is important to take time to do things for our well-being, to refresh and recharge so we can feel and be at our best. Self-care techniques and general lifestyle changes can help manage the symptoms of many mental health problems. They may also help prevent some problems from developing or getting worse. Self-care is vital for building resilience toward those stressors in life that you can't eliminate. Many of these techniques revolve around basic concepts that can be easily neglected. Self-care relies on increased self-awareness. Practicing self-awareness can help you recognize patterns in your emotions, including situations that can trigger worsened symptoms. It can also help identify what activities or tasks are necessary for your well-being, soothe negative symptoms of a mental illness or stress, or simply bring pleasure or relaxation. Self-care looks different for everyone, and it is important to find what you need and enjoy. It may take trial and error to discover what works best for you. In addition, although self-care is not a cure for mental illnesses, understanding what causes or triggers your mild symptoms and what coping techniques work for you can help manage your mental health. Identify the things that matter to you. Ask yourself the tough questions to identify the things that mean the most to you. Your answers should determine your approach to living. Keeping an eye on your priorities will help you make decisions about how you spend your time. Change your mindset. Too often, we focus on the negatives while showing little appreciation for the beauty that is all around us. Cherish the good memories. Take time to be still and meditate more. Adopting a gratitude mindset puts you on the path to achieving the highest level of self-care. Take a quick mental survey of your body. While breathing deeply, scan your whole body, releasing tension as you find it. Check your posture and adjust as necessary. It only takes a few seconds to do, but can provide an immediate change. Sleep and rest are important elements of any self-care routine. Practice healthy sleep habits and listen to your body's needs. Too many people are sleep deprived, and it takes a toll on our physical and mental health. Daytime naps are also an excellent way to refresh and improve concentration levels. Your body needs time to rest and renew. Exercise in some form. The body and the mind have a unique connection. Research has shown that regular exercise increases serotonin levels in the body significantly, improving mood and energy. While it's recommended that you get 30 minutes of moderate exercise daily, that may not be possible. Focus on getting whatever amount of exercise you can, since even a short walk to the mailbox is better than doing nothing. Practice healthy eating habits. Eating regularly can help you feel better. While healthy eating is a great form of self-care, so is simply being sure to eat something each day. Importance of self-care. Self-care plays a crucial role in maintaining mental well-being. It is the foundation for a healthy mind and body. Self-care activities help individuals manage stress, reduce anxiety and depression, and promote a positive outlook on life. Engaging in self-care activities also helps individuals develop self-awareness, self-esteem, and self-confidence. Self-care is essential for maintaining mental well-being. It promotes relaxation, reduces stress and anxiety, and helps individuals feel more confident and in control of their lives. Self-care also helps individuals develop self-awareness, self-esteem, and self-confidence, which are crucial for positive mental health. Self-care activities can include physical activities, mindfulness practices, hobbies, and social support. Physical activities. Engaging in physical activities is an excellent way to promote mental well-being. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters that reduce stress and anxiety. Regular exercise, such as walking, running, or yoga, can help individuals maintain a healthy mind and body. Exercise also promotes better sleep, which is essential for mental well-being. Mindfulness practices. Mindfulness is the practice of being present and fully engaged in the current moment. It helps individuals focus on their thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations, reducing stress and anxiety. Mindfulness can be practiced through meditation, deep breathing, or simply paying attention to one's surroundings. Mindfulness practices promote relaxation, reduce negative thinking patterns, and increase positive thinking. Hobbies. Engaging in hobbies or activities that bring joy and relaxation is an excellent way to practice self-care. Whether it's painting, cooking, or reading, hobbies help individuals reduce stress and increase happiness. Hobbies can be a source of creative expression, providing an outlet for emotions and thoughts. They can also be a source of social connection, allowing individuals to connect with others who share similar interests. Social support. Connecting with friends and family is an essential aspect of self-care. Social support provides individuals with a sense of belonging and connection, which can help reduce feelings of loneliness and isolation. It is essential to have people in our lives who we can rely on for emotional support and encouragement. Social support can also help individuals develop coping strategies for dealing with stress and anxiety. Sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for maintaining mental well-being. Lack of sleep can lead to feelings of irritability, anxiety, and depression. Creating a consistent sleep schedule and establishing a bedtime routine can help individuals get the recommended amount of sleep. Good sleep hygiene practices include avoiding caffeine and alcohol before bed, keeping a comfortable sleep environment, and avoiding electronics before bed. Other suggestions include setting aside time to talk with a counselor, therapist, or a trusted friend regularly. Read, reflect, journal, or otherwise engage with your thoughts. Take up an old hobby or start a new one. Even playing with a pet can be very beneficial for your mental well-being. Spiritual self-care. Research shows that a lifestyle including religion or spirituality is generally a healthier lifestyle. Nurturing your spirit, however, doesn't have to involve religion. It can involve anything that helps you develop a deeper sense of meaning, understanding, or connection with the universe. Whether you enjoy meditation, attending a religious service, or praying, spiritual self-care is important. In conclusion, self-care is essential for maintaining mental well-being. Engaging in physical activities, mindfulness practices, hobbies, social support, and getting enough sleep are simple and effective ways to practice self-care. Prioritizing self-care can lead to a healthier and more fulfilling life. It is essential to take care of oneself physically, mentally, and emotionally to maintain mental well-being. Incorporating self-care into daily life can help individuals manage stress, reduce anxiety and depression, and promote a positive outlook on life. So this was our today's video. I hope you all liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.